just like yesterday, we're going to have to try to stay nice and organized in math. We have a couple of things that I'm going to talk to you about. And we are going to work on. We are going to try to figure out how many more, how many less of things we have today. So my keywords are how many more or how many less. Okay, those are my keywords for today. Do I want to know how many I have? No. I want to know how many more or how many less. It is extremely important that we know those words and that we get all of those words, okay? Because if we don't, then we're finding something different. So for instance, here I have some brown dogs. Go ahead and get out your top of the page so you can count how many brown dogs I have on the page. Thank you for listening. How many brown dogs do I have? 9. Very good. There are 9 brown dogs. And there are 5 bowls. So what we're going to do is I want you to watch up here first so you can see how we're going to stay organized. What do I want to do? Thank you, Sarah. I want to stay organized. What do I want to do first grade?
Stay organized.
Stay organized. So this is what you're going to do. How many bowls did I have? 5. So I'm going to draw 1 underneath each dog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you see how I stayed organized when I drew each bowl underneath the dog? Did I draw 9 bowls? No, why not?
Because it said 2 by 5.
So that's 2 by 5. So now you may go ahead and draw 5 bowls exactly the way I drew my 5 bowls. Make sure each bowl is underneath a dog, please. And then my question is, how many more dogs are there than bowls? So do I want to know how many dogs there are? No. I want to know how many more dogs there are. So when I see how many more, I am looking for those that do not have a partner. So I'm going to partner them up. This dog goes with
That
this bowl. This dog goes with this bowl. Go ahead and partner up your dogs with a bowl. What happens when I run out of bowls? I don't do anything, right? Do I have my answer? Yes. How many more dogs than bowls do I have? You are exactly right, because those are the things that did not have a partner. Okay? So when I say how many more or how many less, I am looking for the objects that do not have partners. Thank you for listening. I'm so glad you're paying attention to that. Okay, and you gotta stay organized. You're right. What are my keywords?
How many more?
Or
How many less?
Very good. And so that is looking for who does not
Have a
Very
partner.
good. And we need to stay organized when we do that. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the next one. It says there are 7 white dogs. See my 7 white dogs? There are 8 bowls. How many bowls are not needed? What do we have to do?
All them up.
Draw that many bowls. And what do you say?
Partner them up.
Partner them up. We have to stay organized, don't we? I can't just draw 8 because that's not going to work very well, is it?
No, that's a draw.
Okay. No, not 5. How many did it say?
No.
8. It says 8. I'm going to draw underneath each picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, what happened? What happened?
One is gone.
Okay, so what's the answer?
7.
1. Because, why?
One was and now we have 7.
1 is missing. Where did you get 7 from? It is not 7 because there's no 7. How many have partners? We're looking for partners. How many more means what? Means what? No, who did not? Who is together? Who did not have a partner? And you didn't draw all your bowls. You need to draw another one out here. Okay, so I want you guys to draw your partners. How many do not have a partner? 1. So what is our answer? 1. See how simple that is? 1 does not have a partner. So my answer is 1. But do you see how we have to stay nice and organized? So there's a couple of things that I want you to remember. I want you to stay nice and organized, keep everything together, and when I see how many more or the words how many less, I am looking for those that have partners that do not have a partner, so I'm going to partner them up. Okay? Is it asking how many dogs we have? No, it's asking how many less dogs we have.